Good morning, lovely people of YouTube. Today is day number 5. Not using shampoo or any hair product because I forget to buy shampoo, so I'm using soap. Anyway, it's 10 to 10, a bit late because I was a bit tired yesterday. Don't know what we're gonna do today. First, I'm gonna have to have some breakfast. I've got a few plans. I've got one. There's a a loch that my friend from Instagram told me about. It looks nice, it has some nice colors, so I might go over there. This is the village I'm staying at, Kingusi. The loch is not that far away. Also, I want to go see those ruins. A little bit tired, but memories has to be made. Yeah, memories have to be made, so let's go and make them. Breakfast before. Just had some breakfast. Time to send some postcards. And off we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some news. Bad news and good news. The bad news are, as you can see, what I'm wearing. It means it's raining a little bit. But the good news are that where am I? Over there. The good news are that because it's raining, there's going to be less people on the track. And also, I'm not afraid of the rain. My drone is, but I'm not. So hopefully it will not rain when we get to the location. Looks beautiful over there. You know, when I was a kid, I used to watch that movie Highlander. And I would never ever thought that one day I'm gonna be in Highlands. I cannot speak today for some reason. Yeah, I never thought I'm gonna end up in Highlands. So beautiful. But on that movie, it was always raining, and we had amazing weather yesterday. Hopefully today will be as good. I've got my old trusty waterproof jacket, so I'm all happy and good to go. Although that does not look good. I didn't watch forecast, but I've seen some signs on the way to here saying that heavy rain, yellow warning. Rough, you say? That's good. I like it rough. We have some people behind me, so I need to step up a little bit. Need to bounce. Whoa, slippery. Some people are a little bit weird about other people flying drones and stuff, so I rather fly when there are no people around. So I need to be quick. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. It's pissing down rain. Check this out. Wow. I just need to stop. I just need to wait for the rain to stop. It's raining again, but I've already decided I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna stay here until it stopped raining. It's drizzling now a little bit. I want to do 360 video or picture, so I want to be in the sky for quite a bit. don't want to get drawn to it. We have a very small window of opportunity. It stopped raining for a bit, but I need to go a bit further because some people decided to have a bloody picnic up there, down there. Need to bounce. I am well happy that I've managed to fly around here. Apparently this loch, it has a weird color, but maybe that only works when it's sunny. Still, it's a nice place. I got lost in the fog because I wanted to get lost in the fog, because sometimes that's what you need. Sometimes you just need to get lost in the fog. I'm off now back to the car, which is about 3 kilometers away from here, and then next destination, I don't know yet. I've got a few things in mind, not far away from here. So see you in the car, I reckon. And I hope you like this video, and also, once again thank you very much, Carolina, for recommending this place. It's beautiful. And it stopped raining, which is good. I'm listening to some cool tunes. I've got some DJ from YouTube. I found him. He's I think in Poland, Polish DJ. Malos, it's called. Bloody amazing for an uphill. So behind me there is a very old bridge. You cannot see, it's over there. I was hoping to, because that bridge looks very cool, I was hoping to fly above it and under it or something, but I can't do that because it's raining. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna go out and take some pictures with my phone and then go to the next location. It stopped raining. Miracle. It was raining all the way here. It stopped. It was raining before we were going to that loch, and it stopped. Look at it. I've seen some people standing over it. Am I gonna try? No, because it's a bit dodgy, I think. that I was able to film. Anyway, next destination now, about half an hour away from here, I think. See you there. Another and the last destination. Where is it? Can't see it. Oh, it's over there. I don't know exactly what it is. I'm really glad I bought this camera. Thank you, Ola, for giving me constructive criticism. I like it. That's creepy. Well, oh well, I'm gonna go thirsty. Toilets. Aha. Very nice. I think, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. You know what it's time for? The main event. I'm gonna whip my drone out and see this place from above. Horses. Let's do it. So see you up there in the air.
My time is gonna last. What if I try to push through my past? But I don't even know if I ever fall. Will they even notice? Never cared for rounded by love. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone. I just wanna be alone.
I am wet, I'm exhausted, I'm hungry, but also I'm so happy that I came here. And there's my friend Crow. Yeah, I'm glad that I came here, but now I need to go back to the hotel, have a hot shower, dry myself, and go have some food because I'm hungry. I've got more plans, but not for today. Today is finished, that's it, no more. You probably had enough anyway, because this video is gonna be so long, I don't even know how long, but I'm more happy to explore and walk in now than when I'm gonna be at home soon editing those videos, because it's gonna be a lot. And it bloody is. It's Sunday, I think it's 10 to 11. I'm waking up in a couple of hours to go to work. So I hope you enjoyed this. But I'm hoping that you guys like it and enjoying it like I do, making them. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day where I'm gonna go exploring a place where they make whiskey, and I don't know what else. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.